29 ways to prevent your Filipina wife from becoming Americanized. Mabuhay, Kamusika, welcome, how are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. I have a live stream coming up that I want as many people as possible to see. I will offer 29 ways or things to do to prevent your Filipina wife from becoming Americanized. This might be the only place on YouTube that will attempt to combat the notion that it is inevitable that she will change, that she will lose her sweet and caring Filipina nature and become stained with feminism. I always strive to be detailed in my topics, but with this next one, to quote Bachman Turner Overdrive, you ain't seen nothing yet. We need to talk about this on Thursday night, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, November 1st. There are things that attract a foreigner to a Filipina besides her physical beauty. Many foreigners desire a Filipina because they are looking for a wife who embodies traditional values such as family, marriage, wants to have a clean, organized house, loves to cook, have children, is a good lover, embraces a feminine appearance, and more. Someone who believes in marriage for life. Now, who wouldn't want that? In April of 2015, I boarded a plane for Davao City, Philippines to meet a woman that I had never met before, and I married her just a few weeks later. She was a Philippinized woman. One obstacle to pursuing a Filipina is the prevalent thought that it's only a matter of time before she becomes Americanized, the opposite of the qualities that I mentioned earlier. This sentiment lives on in part because it happens a lot. This could be a major deterrent to marrying a Filipina, so I want to do a live stream on Thursday evening, November 1st, 5 p.m. Central Time, to help maybe prevent this. Please give me the chance to explain 29 ways to keep your Filipina from becoming Americanized. It will probably be lengthy, but I believe this is something that you will only hear here. Live or archived, I want you to hear this, so let yourself in, take your shoes off, make yourself at home, right here on Love Beyond the Sea.